Hola a todos y bienvenidos a sus anuncios de esta semana. Espero que estén bien. Hello everyone, welcome to your announcements for this week. I hope that you are doing well. This week you will be looking at the material in Unit 6 for Spanish 2. Your vocab will be family vocabulary. Your grammar will be the present progressive. So that's what you currently are doing, what is in the process of happening. So it's those verbs that end in ing with the verb to be in front of them. I am reading a book. I am learning Spanish. You are listening to this video announcement, etc. And for your culture, we're continuing with the country of Chile, and you will be learning about Pablo Neruda, who was a very famous author from the country of Chile. So for this week, we've got a pretty normal week, but do be aware that you've got an extra quiz. It's a very small one. And that's an extra culture quiz, extra culture tidbit quiz. And let me show you where you can check that because it actually leads perfectly into what I was going to show you next, which is your calendar function. So when you're on our home page up here with the blue band, if you click plan, this is a really cool way to check all of what's upcoming for you for, well, your assignments for this class. So if you look here, February 10th, you can see what you'll be learning this day. That's the material, Unit 6, Lesson 1, etc. That extra quiz right here is on Thursday, February 13th. It's this culture tidbit quiz. Make sure to take that in addition to the normal quiz, which is over Pablo Neruda, the normal culture quiz. And then I wanted to show you this just as a reminder because this calendar here, you can look at it in the day form, the week form, month, which is what I have displayed, a list. This calendar lets you see what's upcoming, and if this is a good format for you, then you don't have to blindly just open up your computer on Monday and say, okay, here's what I'm doing on Monday, and then for Tuesday, okay, here's what I'm doing on Tuesday. Instead, you have this great view of what's coming up, and it allows you to plan your time. Next week, for example, there's no class on Monday. February 17th because it's President's Day, a school holiday. So you've got a 4-day school week, but there's still 5 days worth of lessons in those 4 days. So if you are looking at your calendar, you can plan ahead and say, okay, I don't want to be that busy on Friday. I don't want to have 4 assignments to turn in and then the 2 lessons to go through. So instead, I'm going to do some work on Monday, even though I don't have to, I am going to choose to. So that's the nice thing about the calendar. It just gives you an idea of what's coming up. All right. I hope you have a great week. And as always, please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Adiós, clase, y estamos en contacto.